Let's learn and speak.
Bonjour à tous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Dear French learners, have you ever heard someone say j'en ai in French and thought what does that even mean? What is that mysterious little word O-N-A? Why it is there and what does it replace? Today I will explain what j'en ai means, how it works and how we can use it like a native speaker. Dear French learners and my channel viewers, before going into the video lesson, please subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end without skipping. Now let's get into the video lesson. In French, j'en ai is made up of three parts. The first part is je or the contracted form of je, which is J apostrophe, which means I in English. The second one, O-N-A, which replaces something in the sentence. And A-E-A, which means have in English. Now let's try to pronunciate it. Je-en ai, j'en ai. So the literal meaning of j'en ai is I have some or I have it in English. But still it is confusing us, right? Then let's break down the most important part in this sentence, which is O-N-A. What is en in French and what is its role? The word O-N-A is a pronoun in French and its job is to replace something that comes after the preposition de. De-o, de. French uses it constantly to replace phrases introduced by the preposition de just to express quantities or to avoid repeating information. Now let us understand this with this example. Tu parles de ton travail? Tu parles de ton travail? Oui, j'en parle. Instead of saying oui, je parle de mon travail, we are using the sentence oui, j'en parle. In order to avoid the repeating information in the answer oui, je parle de mon travail, French uses the adverbial pronoun on before the verb just to replace de plus noun. Now let us see the English version. Are you talking about your job? Yes, I'm talking about it. Instead of saying I'm talking about my job, here we are using a pronoun it just to replace the noun my job in the sentence. So always a pronoun replaces a noun so that we don't need to repeat it again. So here the simple rule is the French adverbial pronoun on uses it constantly to replace phrases introduced by the preposition de followed by a noun. Now let us see one more example. Combien de stylos as-tu? Combien de stylos as-tu? J'en ai trois. J'en ai trois. How many pens do you have? How many pens do you have? I have 3 pens. Instead of saying I have 3 pens, we can say I have 3. Or I have 3 of them. J'en ai trois. I have 3. Here also on replaces de plus stylo. Stylo is a noun. Now let us see the next example. Combien de frères avez-vous? Combien de frères avez-vous? How many brothers do you have? How many brothers do you have? Here, what is the removable part which is replaced by the adverbial pronoun on? Yes, it is deux frères. Now let's see the answer how to replace it. With the noun, we say the answer as J'ai deux frères. And without the noun, we say the answer as j'en ai deux. Instead of saying j'ai deux frères, we say j'en ai deux. I have two brothers. Now let's practice with some daily life useful French phrases. Combien en avez-vous? Combien en avez-vous? How many do you have? How many do you have? Combien en avez-vous? J'en ai. J'en ai. I have some. I have some. J'en ai quelques-uns. J'en ai quelques-uns. I have a few. I have a few. J'en ai quelques-uns. Tu en as? Tu en as? Do you have any? Do you have any? Tu en as? Oui, j'en ai. Oui, j'en ai. Yes, I have some. Yes, I have some. Oui, j'en ai. Non, je n'en ai pas. Non, je n'en ai pas. No, I don't have any. No, I don't have any. Non, je n'en ai pas. J'en ai un. J'en ai un. I have one. I have one. J'en ai un. J'en ai deux. J'en ai deux. I have two. I have two. J'en ai deux. J'en ai trois. J'en ai trois. I have three. I have three. J'en ai trois. J'en ai beaucoup. J'en ai beaucoup. I have a lot. I have a lot. J'en ai beaucoup. J'en ai trop. J'en ai trop. I have too many. I have too many. J'en ai trop. J'en ai encore. J'en ai encore. I still have some. I still have some. J'en ai encore. Je n'en ai plus. Je n'en ai plus. I don't have any more. I don't have any more. Je n'en ai plus. J'en ai encore un peu. J'en ai encore un peu. I still have a little. I still have a little. J'en ai encore un peu. J'en ai encore beaucoup. J'en ai encore beaucoup. I still have a lot. I still have a lot. J'en ai encore beaucoup. J'en ai encore trois. J'en ai encore trois. I still have three. I still have three. J'en ai encore trois. J'en ai plusieurs. J'en ai plusieurs. I have several. I have several. J'en ai plusieurs. And that's all for today. Now you finally understand how ON works in French. Dear French learners, if you want more French video lessons like this, let me know by giving a comment in the comment section. Also, tell me in the comments which French topic confuses you the most. And I will post new lessons that break things down just like this video lesson. Merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Rencontrons-nous dans la prochaine vidéo avec un autre leçon de français. En attendant, continuez à regarder ma chaîne. Merci et à bientôt.
Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.